What I'm coming to do today is see these okras. Look how tall these okras are. Good Lord. That's some tall okras, huh? Jeez, ooh, look at that nice customer right there. That right there. Doo-doo-doo. But I'm gonna pick a few of these okras because you gotta stay on these okras almost daily when they're coming in, and I'm having a hard time doing the daily thing. Y'all see these? That's a beautiful little okra right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick what's available. Look how high they are. I gotta get up there real high and get them. Yeah. See that okra? There's some more back up in there. Ooh, that one got a weird crook to it. Look at this nice one. See? That's a bunch of okra. Bunches. I cut a few of these and cropped them so I could see if they, but those really ain't making anything. So I was hoping they'd branch out, but it's more of an experiment. Look at these long, skinny, thin ones, round. All right, y'all. I'm gonna have to go get the picking. I'll see what we can do here. I'm gonna put this up. Maybe I can catch me in the frame doing something. All right, y'all. This is the take. That's pretty good. And I got some I've been picking for a few days. Every day it gets a little bit better, and it's gonna keep doing that for a while. So I'm gonna pick as much as I can while I'm doing all this extra work at my job. And a lot of times I gotta come out here and pick at night, which sucks because there's so many bugs at night. Anyway, they follow the light and they bounce in your eyes. Anyway, so you gotta do what you gotta do. And I'll put these with the rest and freeze them. When I get enough, I'm gonna probably do a good pickling and hopefully be able to set some away for later on for gumbos and stewed okras. All right, y'all.